night. And as you can see, I promised I've delivered. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great to see you.
Great to see you too.
Salimiana. My fans wamengoja kweli kweli. No, you say hi first.
Hey,
and then
my
we'll
fans,
go to-
Mambo. How is everyone doing? I'm happy to be here. Thank
Yeah.
you for having me. Yeah. This
All right,
is
Sedo.
Sedo. My name
Yo.
is Nyashinski. We are musicians.
You sing sometimes.
Yes.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you
Looking
too.
dapper as always.
Thank you.
So first things first, you have, and I was telling you during the break that you have to feel so blessed because every time you release a song, people are always so hungry to know what is it about, and the reception is always so amazing. We'll be getting to the song shortly, but
Right.
I mean, do you feel blessed as much as I feel blessed on your behalf?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's true. I do feel blessed and I appreciate,
Right.
my fans and everyone who's even curious enough to give me a chance to listen to my stuff. And, it's a blessing,
Yeah.
for real. It's a blessing. I
Right.
don't take it for granted at
Right.
all. Yes, for
And,
sure.
and talking about blessings, you were nominated alongside Wizkid, Davido, for the MTV Awards. Well, Davido went with it, but how was that like, being nominated alongside all this? I should actually be asking them, how did they feel being nominated alongside Nyashinski? But how was that experience like for you?
It was nice. It was unbelievable. For me, just the overwhelming support that I got from Kenyans. Guys coming, pulling together, saying, vote for me, vote for Nyashinski, vote for Nyashinski. That really touched me. For me, that was a really, I wish I could really express how I feel about that, but that was a really, really big, I felt it. Thank you so much. Everyone who voted, everyone who campaigned, Yani.
Right.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's really important.
You live
me.
to fight another day
Yes.
on another
Yes.
platform.
Yes, and congrats to Davido, man.
Congrats to Davido. Yeah, he backed that Best African
for the
act.
win. Exactly.
So apart from that, where have you been apart from working on Hayawani?
Hayawan, you said it right.
Yeah, Hayawani. There are people who are saying Hawaiuni.
Well, basically, that's what we've been doing. You've said it. This one has been one of the most challenging ones we've done so far. It took a lot of, long days and, long nights just mixing, mastering, going back, redoing the vocals, the video. The video is out on YouTube.
All right.
So this whole project really took a lot, and I have an amazing team. And thanks to them, we have this product. It's not just me.
It's not just you.
No.
And shortly we'll be getting to hear, the song. If you haven't gotten the chance to hear it, it's dope. I have to say, congratulations.
Thank
I think
you.
the message is really thought-provoking. Well,
Yes.
provoking, and it's very powerful. But I have to, quiz you on a few things. When I said you're coming, there are people who are like, able first to Uliza Nyash, why is it that these days he feels so sweet? He's become a celeb. Why? First of all, why do people have that feeling that, now Nyash is divalicious?
Which people have that feeling?
I can show you. Actually, I wish I had my phone. I would show you some few tweets of people saying that, hey, why is it first of all that they're feeling that way?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
I'm not I'm not Nyash here because honestly, there are few people who feel
I don't
like
think people feel that way.
really.
No, I don't think so. I think there are people who feel that way and there are people who don't. That happens for everyone, In every field, sometimes people like you, sometimes they don't. That's just how it goes. I can't give you a reason why they feel that way.
Right. Okay. And, also just to clear the air, one of the other questions is that, is it true that Nyash asked for money to appear on a TV interview? Maybe if you could just clear the air here and now.
Did I ask you for money? when I
No,
came
me you
here?
didn't ask, but then he didn't ask me for any cash.
Let me
Completely.
explain something.
Yeah.
It's in my best interest to go for an interview because I'm pushing my song,
Right.
my brand and all that, right? So asking for $1 million for an interview, first of all, I'm shooting myself in the foot, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, long story short, no, I
No.
did not ask for $1 million
That did not
for an
happen.
interview. I was as surprised as you are when you read it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so you've had it. He's cleared the air. So he's got nothing but love, I guess that's what you're saying for your fans
Yeah.
out there. And Yash, since you came back, all the songs that you've released, Malaika is my favorite. I hope you'll do something for us tonight.
Thank you.
What has been like your biggest inspiration? Because all your music, first of all, they have a message. They are solid messages, I must say. We're yet to see you release like a party song or whatever. And I remember we had a conversation here the last time and you're like, you're not yet there to have, video vixens and whatever. So what really has been your connecting, factor with all the music that you've released so far?
You know, inspiration comes from different places. Sometimes it's stuff I go through. Sometimes it's stuff that people around me go through. You know, it just depends. It's never one thing. Like, that's why the songs have different themes. But I always try to write from a real place. To pick from a real place so someone can connect with it on a deeper level.
Right. I like that. So, how has it been working with this guy, by the way?
Don't know.
You don't like him that much?
He's pain to work with.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding.
Because he's a perfectionist or what?
No, I'm just kidding. He's amazing. We are good friends.
Okay.
So we get to hang around a lot, come up with ideas, experiment on what we want to do. So
All right.
yeah, it's a good experience.
It's a good experience.
Yes, it is.
Let's see if it's a good experience having him, perform live on Friday briefing. So what is Hayawani all about? You've been on interviews today the whole day, so
Yes,
for my
I've
viewers.
been explaining it. But
yeah.
Hayawani is about, first of all, Hayawani is a Swahili word which means beast or animal.
Okay.
So the song, the essence of it, the message is how less humane we're becoming every day as people. All over the world, we're focusing less on good, and bad does not shock us anymore. So that's what I'm saying. There's a line I say, binadamu kageuka mnyama. Like the one thing that separates us from animals, which is, like kindness to each other.
Right.
And just basically
The
being
human
humane.
instinct, yeah.
Yeah. That's what we're now losing. And the world over, so I decided to talk about that.
So why
it
do you
has
feel
many
we're
different
losing?
topics in it.
Why do you feel we're losing that? Is it like an experience you've gone through? Is it like what you see?
I think just the world over. Even there's so much violence. People don't seem to care anymore. Hunger, poverty. There's so much of that everywhere. And nowadays, when you see it on your TV or anywhere, you feel like, you feel like you're so numb to it. Doesn't affect
It's not the
you.
way it used to affect.
Yes.
We'd
doesn't
even have to
affect
warn, these are disturbing pictures. We no longer have to do that because we become.
Yeah, no one. You don't even have to warn for a graphic.
Yeah, because we've become so used to it.
Yes, so our consciences are being seared every day, and I just thought I'd speak on that.
And so, what do you hope? Okay, I want us to get to. But what do you hope? What's the message that you want to send out? Because it's a solid song.
Yeah.
But what is it that you want to be the take-home for people who listen to it?
I want it to shock the system. I want people to think about what they're doing. I want people to be better people, including myself. No one is perfect, and the song is not done in a preachy way. Everyone, I'm in the society just as much as you are.
Yeah.
So the take-home is to shock the system, to people to wake up and be better, be more humane.
Be kinder.
Be kind.
I love that message. We all should take that message home. All right, so without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, on Friday briefing, Nyashinski, his new track, Hayawani. Karibu.
Kabla swala ukamilishe mam, tafadhali Mola mwambie milele anichunge mimi nisije zam, mashetani asinivamie, chuki wivu tunakutesa, linda kwako usiwasikie, kwa nini hatuwezi sote kupendana? Binadamu acha niwaambie, labda sisi twenda wazimu, labda laana yetu pesa, kesho ukipoteza kila kitu, dunia nzima itakucheka. Wanaomba ntiliwe chai yangu sumu, wabaki hao ndo kusema, kesho wampigie demu wangu simu, asa walivonipenda, ona mahayawani. Thank you.
Just that?
Just that.
So what? Okay, so you really want? So that was like an appetizer.
That was the appetizer.
I was waiting for
full song,
for the chorus because I kind of like, was trying to learn, during the day.
That's what I was going to say. If you want to see the full song,
Yeah.
it's out on YouTube.
Out on YouTube.
Yes.
Hayawani.
Hayawani.
But Nyash is still here with us. Tell me what you think about, the new song. Like I mentioned earlier, it's supposed to provoke certain thoughts in our
Right,
minds, which
right.
is very important. But also, he's still here with me. I'm not letting him go. Or do you sleep early on Fridays?
Yes. I
Really?
actually do, yes.
What's your bedtime like? Like midnight,
No,
Kwendelea?
no. Early, very early.
Very early. All
By
right, so
9:30, I'm out.
all right, so we'll make sure by 10:30 you're out. All right, so he's going to be here with me. Do you promise Malaika?
No, we can do a bit of Malaika.
Malaika. All right, Haina Noma. All right, so Nyashinski is still here with me. Keep it Friday briefing. We'll be back in a few minutes.
Yep.